did a bit of work on the gateway. It's a Gateway NV53A. Got it for 75 bucks. It's running AMD Trion 2X processor. Had 4 gigs of RAM, but here's what I did today. Look at the RAM. 6 gigs. I now have 6 gigs of RAM. I had 2 sticks of 2 gig RAM. So I took out one of the 2. This is the innermost gig. So if you have the computer upside down, you have the top one and the bottom one. You replace the bottom one first with the higher number. So I have the 4 that I got from Radio Shack for it was their last stick, 4 gigs, and it was $25. Yes. And it, by the way, it's DDR3 OS DIMM 204 pin, and mine is the PC3-106666 or 66 whatever. So I just thought I would show that. That's pretty cool. But look what I want to do. I want to go run canyouRunit.com, and look what my PC now does. This is minimum. So this is for Minecraft because yes, why not? And it's never had a computer touch the computer's results bar over there, which makes me so very proud. Pass everything. And then if you go to, this is a great website by the way, if you want to know if you can do something, recommend it, and I have nothing that I fail on. So I'm thinking it is time to get Minecraft and start a modding, but let's try something else real quick. Yeah, hold on, I gotta try something else. Duty ROM. Duty. Whoa. Why is it giving me results? And I'm not even looking at it. Black Ops Resurrection, First Strike Annihilation, Black Ops Modern Warfare. It's interesting. Oh well, I was gonna get it to work, but it decided it didn't want to, so, you know, whatever. We'll try one more thing. World at War, there we go, second one. Can you run it? This is for zombiemodding.com. I want to play modded zombies. Oh yeah, it's touching the minimum. There is no recommended, which means I just blew past everything, so it's just telling me, yeah, go ahead. And I kill the processor. It can run on a Pentium 4. Yeah, I'm good. I'm definitely good. So, very proud of my little computer. It decided it wanted to cooperate, be good, and I need to start using Bandicam so you guys can have a more clear image. And that's not what I wanted to open. I wanted to open. Always opens 2. If anyone ever knows why it does that, let me know. But yeah, got 6 gigs of RAM now, which makes me really proud. So that's really good. Anyone knows any other upgrades I can do to this computer, let me know. I know I can put, I'm going to have 8 gigs in this before it's all said and done. And then, nothing I can do about I have 500 gig hard drive. I really don't need more, but I would like to maybe put a solid state or a hybrid in there. I don't think I can afford solid state, but maybe a hybrid drive. So if anyone knows any about a 500 gig solid state hybrid drive, let me know. And then if anyone else can think of anything else I could possibly throw in this to make it faster, just let me know. And I'm looking about getting that keyboard fixed soon because, well, I don't know, needs to cooperate. Oh, and I got a keyboard, by the way. It's a Logitech. It's pretty nice. I like it. It has YouTube functionalities at the top, which is all I use this thing for, so works good. Also have a Logitech mouse, both wireless. But as you can see, the keyboard still doesn't, not all the keys work. as I'm going along, and it's randomly punching in numbers. Yeah, and see that for some reason C pastes that whole thing, and that opens up other things, and so yeah, keyboard's not very happy, not very happy at all. But yeah, so I think this is a win. So 6 gigs of RAM, and we're gonna call it a win.